This is the Best Stocks to Buy podcast. We use our proprietary algorithms to screen, analyze, and rank over 6,000 stocks every week. This podcast is made possible by Connor Management Group, a registered investment advisor firm. If you've been enjoying these podcasts, we're sure you'll like our Saturday morning newsletter just as much, if not more. It is informative but light and includes personally curated articles on investing, money, and just plain leisure fun that we think you would enjoy. Just visit our website at www.connormg.com and click on newsletter to subscribe. All right, on to our presentation. Hi everyone, this is Mathis Connor with Connor Management Group, and this week we're going to look at the best small cap stock to buy right now. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2015, and the company we're going to look at is in the grocery store industry, and we see its 6-month upside potential at 15.3%. And on to the next slide, and we see that the name of this company is called The Fresh Market Incorporated. Their ticker symbol is TFM. Once again, they are in the grocery store industry, and we see this company's 6-month upside potential at 15.3%. On to the quick facts slide. Here's a business summary description of the Fresh Market. The Fresh Market operates as a specialty perishable food retailer. The company operates 158 stores in 26 states, primarily in the Southeast, Midwest, and Mid-Atlantic United States. The Fresh Market focuses on perishable product categories, which include meat, seafood, produce, deli, bakery, floral, sushi, and prepared foods. Its non-perishable product categories consist of traditional grocery and dairy products, as well as specialty foods, including bulk coffee, and candy, and beer and wine. So we've got a specialty grocery store retailer here. That's the Fresh Market. Their website is www.thefreshmarket.com. The Fresh Market is headquartered in Greensboro, North Carolina. They were founded in 1982, and they have 7,800 employees. Once again, the ticker symbol is TFM. Onto the products and services slide. What we have here are some exterior and interior photos of the Fresh Market stores / grocery stores. Based on these photos, I had to say, on average, they look like, say, about half the size, maybe slightly larger, of a typical grocery store. Also on the slide, we have the Fresh Market logo. We have an excerpt from a recent investor presentation report that shows over the last 8 years, their average annual growth rate in sales has been 16%. So the company's definitely been growing over the last 8 years. And we also have some feedback from one of their customer surveys, which helps give you a feel for what people think of their product. And the customer view of their services, we have these bullet points here. Unique, enjoyable shopping experience, high quality and curated product selection, a strong assortment of fresh perishables, stimulating sense of discovery, convenient, relaxing atmosphere, and a high-touch customer service. So that seems to be some pretty good feedback. And I have to admit, from the photos, the store does pique my curiosity. It has a slight, just ever so slight, warehouse feel, but it seems to be done pretty tastefully. The customer profile of the Fresh Market and how they see their typical customer, we have some bullets on that as well. And they say their customer priorities are are fresh produce, convenience, and value. Their customer seems to be middle income and higher, typically well educated. They seek high quality to price ratio, not just low absolute prices. They desire a deeper engagement with food, and they enjoy more inspiring eating experiences. So that gives you a feel for how customers view them and how they view their target customer. On to the metrics slide. The annual revenue for the fresh market over the last 12 months was $1.8 billion. The net income was $63 million over the last 12 months, and their cash from operations was $143 million. The operating margins for 2014 were 9.4%, and for 2015, they're expected to increase to 10.9%. The current trailing PE ratio, going on to the valuation metrics, the current trailing PE ratio stands at 26.9, and the forward PE ratio stands at 19.6. So on average, analysts expect the earnings to increase a bit. The PEG ratio is at 1.2, which is good to see. Anything around 1 usually implies a value and growth opportunity. The price to sales ratio is at 1.0. The price to book is at 5.2, not too expensive. And the enterprise value to EBITDA ratio stands at 9.8. The dividend yield is 0%. The fresh market does not pay a dividend, so similarly, its average dividend payout ratio is also at 0%. On to the price chart for the fresh market. Overall, the stock is down just 2% over the last 12 months. The stock's been lower, down around $28, and it's been higher, up around $42. But right now, the stock is around $35. Not much of a difference from where it was 12 months ago. The stock experienced a recent pullback related to its recent earnings announcements. Say just about a little over a month ago, the stock was just below $42, and now it's around $35. They announced their full year earnings results, and basically there was some sell-off as a result. In their recent earnings announcement, the fresh market really stated that their earnings did increase and the same-store sales increased, but their total revenues declined. So consequently, there's been some sell-off, but we just believe that this is a good bargain buying opportunity. So the stock's just down, say, 2% from where it was 12 months ago. On to our next slide, the why now, the bull rationale. Our reasons for believing that the fresh market is a good buy right now is that they're still projected to have increasing sales and revenues over the next 12 months. They expect to see some efficiencies and declines in expenses. The company has been growing, and especially as a result of some of their recent declines in sales, they're going to reposition their footprint, and they're going to exit their California stores, and they expect to see some efficiency improvements as a result of that. And additionally, because of the projected increases in sales and decreasing expenses, we see the valuation metric overall improving over the next 12 months, which would make this an attractive buy and consequently create pressure for the stock to go up. So those are our three reasons for why to buy the stock now: increasing sales and revenues, decreasing expenses, and a low valuation metric in the near future. On to the summary slide. The financial statement quality of the fresh market we rate as good. I mean, the debt they have due over the next 5 years stands at $25.9 million. And, you know, their net profit for 2014 was $63 million and is expected to be about $90 million for 2015. So they could take care of the debt due over the next 5 years pretty easily. The operating margin trend, as we noted, it's increasing. The price pattern trend we just rate as flat. It's down just 2% from 12 months ago. And our overall market outlook is also flat. We see a number of overvalued names compared to undervalued names, but we don't see any pressure on the stocks to really decline hard, and we don't see a lot of bargain opportunities on the upside as well. So that's why our outlook is flat. So the recent closing price for the fresh market was $35.27, and our 6-month price target for the stock is $40.65. And that gives the stock a 6-month upside potential, in our view, of 15.3%. So it's for all these reasons that we believe that the fresh market is the best small cap stock to buy right now. We hope you found this presentation helpful, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Just to close, remember that Connor Management Group is a registered investment advisor. In addition to being a source of quality stock investment reviews, we are money managers, not financial planners. Our sole goal is to grow our clients' savings and retirement accounts in a personalized manner as quickly as possible using one or more of our strategies. We can manage all or just part of your IRA account as well as a regular taxable account. Just visit us at www.connormg.com to review our service, or just give us a call at 281-947-2201. Have a great week.